Okay, so when communion is almost over with, what you'll want to do is come from your seat like you did before, and you're going to bow to the altar. And at that point, you're just going to kind of stand over to the side of the altar. So the extraordinary mystery of Holy Communion, the priest will come back, they'll put the ciboria on the altar, and then you're just kind of watching as the priest is purifying the vessels. And so, again, kind of here, the rule of two, except for the priest chalice. So when the priest or the deacon sets two things aside, then you can come and get them. It's just more efficient, and we don't want to stack the ciboria, but we don't need to go also every single thing. So we see one ciboria done, he's purifying with the second one. Once there's two, again, you can come up here. You don't need to rush, just walk slowly, and then bring them back, and then keep an eye out for the other two. When they're done with the water cruet, they'll also put that to the side so that you know that they're done with that. And again, that's the second object, so we have a ciboria in the water cruet, and we can take that back here as well. Now if you notice, there's just one ciboria left and the priest chalice. And so because the priest chalice we will use both hands on, we can take this ciboria then and take that back. We don't want to be taking both of those. We want to, again, when we hold the priest chalice, it's going to be one hand on the stem and one hand on the top, just because there's that paten that may fall off, and just looks more reverent when we do that. So even if we think we can do it fine, no matter what the Mass is, we really want that to happen. So again, kind of a change here from before is the corporal will always be put on the top. So we need to wait for that. Once the stack is there, we can come. The priest may put it off to the side or hand it to us. Again, we hold it with one hand on the stem, one hand on the top. We put this onto the credence table. And then, because the missal's already done, we come to the altar, we bow to the altar, and we head to our seat.